Hello guys, so Stark Drones does have a few updates. A quick disclaimer regarding this video: information is provided as is, as with all our videos. The NetCapital campaign is live and we did reach 100+ company followers on LinkedIn. I will be speaking at the Faire Bay Area on October 14th and 15th. I've had previous speaking engagements from Faire in Faire experiences from Faire in Faire Detroit 2017, 2018, and 2019. This, however, is a global Faire and should be much bigger. I have been accepted to Venture Institute's second cohort by VC Labs. Again, all these updates are on behalf of Stark Drones. A new advisor is part of the Stark Drones team that may be able to help us in Asia. That's all I could say on that for now. Stark Drones will be part of the second cohort for Pete Score's data-driven accelerator. Quant Portal, for all who is and is not aware of that project, have done a DBA as Quant Portal licensing, and also now has a UK brand known as Quant Portal UK, which is a LTD. I do plan to be networking on behalf of Stark Drones on the Verge 2023 Climate Tech event in San Jose. I also do plan to be attending Enzo List Confidential 2023 and the New York Happy Hours. We do hope to start documenting this and our experiences in 5K video. A GoPro have been purchased for that specific reason. Many projects are still being worked on in the background. If you cannot tell, expanding the network is very important for Stark Drones, hence the reason for all these orgs. Lastly, we wanted to say that we are greatly saddened by the events happening with Armenians and their continued displacements, persecution, and tarnishment. I am a Copt, and I love my Armenians so much. The whole world is watching and seeing, and I cannot stay silent. I also wanted to mention that the Decentralized Internet SDK, which is on GitHub, NPM, and other places, makes, in my opinion, a perfect use case for emergency communication systems and P2P peering. On a more sober note, as mentioned, none of what was said in this video is investment or financial advice of any kind, shape, or form. Information is provided as is, as with all our videos. Please also keep in mind that any speaking events I have or travel arrangements can potentially be changed or canceled at any time. Life is unpredictable.